But anyways, this is being constructed right now, and it's kind of on this little island, and right here there's all this kind of yellow. In the past you could just walk all the way down across there, and now you can't anymore. That's all. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna film right now, and basically I'm just gonna show you with this camera because I have a zoom. This is the Macau Tower, and I just came over this bridge right over here, and from this bridge I could see some new construction. I'll just zoom in this bridge real quick. It's kind of interesting. This bridge goes from Macau to Tampa, and when I was on that bridge I saw this, and they're creating something right here, so I thought I'd document it. Again, if you like this page, just hit the like if this is interesting to you right away. Subscribe and all that as well. And basically this is something that will be, who knows what. Maybe somebody knows, I'm sure people do, but I definitely don't, and your general Macau person doesn't know. But it's in this great location. It's basically right next to all the casinos. So for example, this is Lisboa right there, and there's another Lisboa over there, Grand Lisboa and Lisboa right there and there. So the other one, and you also have the Wynn, and the MGM is across over here, and then kind of a row of casinos. So that's interesting. So we're gonna walk the bridge. It's kind of interesting that we're gonna walk that. I just passed it when I was walking, so I was like, oh, that's, I wonder where we're going, because you know there's all this construction right here. There's a little boat. Oh, that's interesting right over there too. There's also, I think that's a dragon boat. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry for the camera type today. Sometimes I use a GoPro, but I kind of want to use this zoom. But anyways, this is being constructed right now, and it's kind of on this little island, and right here there's all this kind of yellow. In the past you could just walk all the way down across there, and now you can't anymore. That's all under construction with some, I don't know if you can zoom in on that a little bit, but you can see these construction property things, and then you have all the people working as well. So yeah, Macau just continues to change, right? So I don't know what they're building, but they're building a pretty strong foundation for it. So alright, it'll be interesting to see what that is in the future. Little island there, and Macau Tower. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.